Viruses are responsible for some of the world's most dangerous and deadly diseases, including influenza, Ebola, rabies, smallpox, and COVID-19. Despite their potential to kill, these potent pathogens are in fact considered to be non-living organisms. There are also a small number of people who claim that viruses are living organisms, but this video is going to focus on the majority viewpoint that viruses are non-living organisms. The claim that viruses are non-living is supported by the fact how biologists define the word alive. In order to be alive, an organism needs to be capable of growing, reproducing, carrying out metabolism, adapting to the environment, and responding to stimuli. Viruses are not made out of cells. They are complicated assemblies of molecules, including proteins, nucleic acids, lipids, and carbohydrates. They are not capable of doing anything at all until they entered a living cell. Viruses do not have nuclei, organelles, or cytoplasm like cells do, and so they have no way to carry out metabolism, or regulate their internal environment. Other than that, viruses cannot reproduce on their own. Viruses must use host cells to duplicate themselves. Since viruses don't have organelles, nuclei, or even ribosomes, they don't have the tools they need to copy their genes, much less create whole new variants. Instead, viruses enter living cells and then hijack the host's cellular equipment to copy viral genetic information. In simpler terms, a virus needs to hijack host cells and use them to duplicate itself. While our immune system could certainly handle a single virion, it's the hundreds of thousands of virions created in a short period of time that harm our cells. Next, living things will grow. Living things use energy and nutrients to become larger in size or more complex. This doesn't apply to the virus. The size of a virus will remain the same throughout its life after it has been duplicated by the host cells. Basically, they do not increase in size or complexity throughout their existence. In conclusion, most biologists will support the argument that viruses are non-living organisms. This is because viruses are not made out of cells, they can't keep themselves in a stable state, they don't grow, and they can't make their own energy. Viruses couldn't survive long outside the host organism. They are not able to sustain themselves and need to rely on the host to survive. Hope you enjoy this video and please do like and subscribe for more content in the future.